Hello everyone, I am Harshita and today we are diving into the fascinating world of cryptography. As you can see, I already write it cryptography, the art of secret codes and secure communication. So, I'm gonna teach you how digital security works, and this video is for you, obviously. So, first topic is what is cryptography? I guess you heard this word a lot of times, right? So, let's start with the basics. So crypt means hidden, as you can see here. Crypt means hidden, and graphy means writing. Okay, cryptography is the practice or a method of converting information and communication into a secret code. So only you can read it, or a sender and a receiver can read it only. Okay, yeah. So only authorized parties can understand it. It's like creating a language only you and your friends know. I'm just taking an example, obviously. So it's like creating a language only you and your friends know. In digital age, this means protecting our emails, and we can see like financial transactions and even the data we store in the cloud. So all this is protected also. Let's talk about it more. I'm gonna take example. Basically, it contains three things. First one is inscription, and second is decryption, and third one is ciphertext. So, what is ciphertext? Basically, ciphertext is a symbolized text that it is not a readable format. Basically, it is not a readable format. You can read it. Okay, you cannot read it. So, let me show you a simple diagram so you can understand more easily. So, here it is. Sorry, my drawing is not so good. So, mm, let's say we have a plain text. Okay, we have a plain text. Plain text is a readable format. ठीक है? Plain text in a readable format. You can read it. This one convert into inscription. As I say, my drawing is not so good. Even writing. And inscription goes into ciphertext. Okay. I can write it also here. Ciphertext. Okay. Now it is going to another. Ciphertext is a non-readable format. Just remember it. Okay. Now it goes to decryption, and then again to plain text. Maybe I have to write it again or not. I guess no. No, I can. Yeah, no. So there is it. Ins inscription. Okay. There is a plain text. Now this is okay. So plain text is a readable format. Okay. As I can say, plain text is a readable format. It is in script, then convert into ciphertext. Ciphertext convert into decryption. Decryption is a reversible format of inscription. Okay, and then convert into plain text. Let's say this one is sender and this one is receiver, and the middle thing is secured by cryptography. Hope you understand. Now let's take yeah let's move to the next topic. Why is cryptography important? Why? Why we need cryptography? Huh, it makes the details information communication protected. Obviously, okay. It can protect your communication, your messages, so that not the third party can read it. It make the things confidential. Okay, only in script can read your messages. Authentication, you can only verify the identity of the sender. Okay. uh, 2FA, two factor authentication, you already read about it, okay, I guess. So authentication, you can only verify the identity of the sender and many things. Okay, or let's talk about the financial transactions, online banking, credit card payment, so your details get protected or secured. And another example, like digital signature or biometrics, so it can protect it also. So our next topic is, how does cryptography work? Let's make a simple explanation for you so you can understand it more easily. This one is a basic video, so yeah. As I already show you the diagram, this one. Oh, sorry, I messed it up. So, simple diagram. Let's talk about it. Plain text. First is plain text. What is plain text? I already told you, na? What is plain text? Let's say, this one is original message. Okay, original original message. You can say this one is a sender. Okay, and next is inscription. What is inscription? My typing is slow, I know that. Inscription, the process, we can say that this one is a process, the process of scrambling your messages into unreadable uh, unreadable format. Okay, and the third one is ciphertext. This one is an important topic, you can read it or understand more carefully. Ciphertext, it is scrambled, it is scrambled version of your original message, of your original message. Okay, it is scrambled your original messages so that no the third parties can read it. In fact, you also cannot read it if you go through that. Okay, next is decryption. What is decryption? Simple hai. the process the process of reversing the scramble. Okay, the process of reversing the scramble. It is opposite to inscription. Okay, now the last point is again plain text. Again plain text. This one is a original message again. original message. So this one is sender, as you can say, sender. My drawing is still messed up. Sender, and this one, this plain text is receiver, and this part is protected or secured. Okay, so hope you understand what is cryptography. Again, I'll give you overview actually. I guess this one is a good idea. So cryptography is the practice or a method of converting information and communication into a secret code. So only authorized parties can understand it. Okay, it can secure your our emails, financial transactions, and data stored in the cloud. Okay, and if I talk about why is cryptography important, so it makes the things confidential and authentication. Okay, financial transaction as I talk about it, and next is how does cryptography work. So this is the whole point. Plain text, inscription, inscription is scrambling, ciphertext, and decryption. So this is the overview, and this is for now. Hope you understand the topic and hope this video demystified the world of cryptography for you. Bye bye.